Welcome to our channel. If you want to use the Wells Fargo mobile app to deposit checks at an ATM without using your physical debit card, follow these steps to access the ATM using a code. Step 1. Download and open the Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone. Log in using your username and password. Step 2. From the main menu, tap on Account Services or ATM Access Code to generate a one-time access code for cardless ATM transactions. Step 3. Select the account you want to use for the deposit and tap on Generate Code or Get ATM Access Code. Step 4. The app will display a unique 8-digit code that is valid for 30 minutes. Write down or memorize this code as you will need it at the ATM. Step 5. Locate a Wells Fargo ATM that supports cardless transactions. Look for ATMs with the tap or phone icon indicating mobile wallet compatibility. Step 6. At the ATM, select the option for cardless access or enter access code instead of inserting your debit card. Step 7. Enter the 8-digit code from your mobile app and follow the on-screen prompts to access your account. Step 8. Select Deposit, choose the account, insert your endorsed check into the ATM, and follow the prompts to complete the deposit. The funds will typically be available within 1 business day. Review your receipt and confirm the deposit in your mobile app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.